Everybody say they got a budget until it's time to stick to it. You don't have a budgeting problem, you got a boundary problem. You treat your money like it's disobedient, but really it's just confused. Every week you tell it where to go, and then you change your mind by Thursday. You don't need another spreadsheet. You need self-control. Some of y'all got color-coded Google Sheets and still can't stay out of Target. The budget ain't broke. The behavior is. And until you get your emotions under control, your money gonna keep leaving home early. Let's be honest. Most people don't spend money for needs, they spend it for nerves. You don't shop because you need it. You shop because you're stressed. You don't eat out because you're hungry. You eat out because you're tired of life cooking you. You don't upgrade your phone because the old one stopped working. You do it because your confidence did. That's not budgeting. That's coping. You can't heal with Amazon Prime, nephew. And no, that brunch wasn't self-care. That was self-sabotage with hollandaise sauce. Money's emotional, but discipline ain't. Every time you let your feelings make the purchase, your future gotta pay the bill. You can't fix financial anxiety with financial irresponsibility. Sometimes peace is just sitting still. Sometimes self-care is saying not today and staying home with that air fryer. You ever notice your budget look perfect on paper, but turn to chaos by the weekend? That's because most folks don't have a money plan. They got a Monday plan. By Friday, that budget already looking like a missing person poster. You don't need another fancy template. You need some tenacity. A budget only works if you do. You can't treat it like a diet you abandon at every time somebody bring donuts. Slip-ups ain't signs to quit. They're checkpoints to correct. If you fall off Tuesday, that don't mean the week's over. That mean Wednesday gotta redeem it. Budgeting ain't about punishment, it's about pattern. Every time you track, you train. Every time you adjust, you advance. Consistency compounds the same way interest does. Faith without works is dead, and a budget without repetition is broke. You want the numbers to change? You gotta change what you do daily, because wealth ain't a weekend event. It's a weekday discipline. And when you finally build that rhythm, that's when your budget stops failing and starts following. The truth is, your budget don't need to be stricter. It needs to be smarter. You can't just write numbers down and call that stewardship. You got to give every dollar an assignment. Tell it, you pay this bill. You go to savings. You bring back interest and don't come home alone. Stop letting your money wander. If you don't tell it where to go, it'll end up everywhere but where you need it. Budgets fail when they're built on vibes instead of vision. You can't manifest discipline. You gotta measure it. Budgeting ain't about perfection. It's about partnership between you and your purpose. And once you start working with your money gonna start working for you. Get focused, get consistent, and get used to seeing progress. And I'm not Ted, I'm Unc. But thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.